I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple shoe organizing solutions. Whether you have a huge shoe collection or a small shoe collection, these solutions are great alternatives to organizing your shoes. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first shoe organizing solution is this hanging shoe shelf. This is perfect if you're someone who has a few shoes and are tired of just having them sit on a shelf or sit on the floor in particular. You want them to sit somewhere where they're easily accessible. This shoe organizer is perfect.
And best of all, assembly is easy. It comes with 3 metal hooks and washers that fit into 3 holes at the top. The washer goes through the hook goes through the hole, and you're done.
With this particular shoe organizer, you're able to place 30 shoes in it. I have less than 30 shoes, so this fit perfectly in my space. And yes, this does take up some space in your closet. So this is for those individuals who have a medium to large size closet, or do you just have space in your closet for a shoe organizer like this? And I believe, just from my experience, if you are someone who has a lot of heels, this shoe organizer may not be particular for you. Even though my heels fit in here, it does take some maneuvering to fit them easily in this space. But after you've maneuvered them a little bit, they do fit in there. So, if you have a lot of heels and you want to try this out, I think it's perfect for you. But just make sure that this particular shoe organizer may require a bit maneuvering around, but once you get it, then your shoes are fine. This particular shoe organizer is perfect for tennis shoes, for flats, for flip-flops, sandals. Because these type of shoes have a flat bottom, it's easier to store them in the shelves. But other than that, it's a great shoe solution. It's inexpensive, it's simple to put together, and simple to use. Let's go on to the next one. The next shoe organizer is the underbed shoe organizer. I love this shoe organizer because you just store your shoes inside it and you just put it away and it's out of sight. I think this is perfect for those of you who have a lot of shoes and you don't have a lot of storage space. So you can use other spaces like under the bed, since typically it is free of clutter for most of us. And this is always a perfect place to store other things. And your shoes are perfect items to store in this space. So with this particular organizer, all you have to do is just put your shoes opposite of each other in each cube or each space and zip it up and push it in. That's it. You can't get any simpler than that. So the last shoe organizer is these shoe stackers. These are a little different because you're not putting your shoe in something, rather you're putting your shoe on something. With this particular organizer, you put one shoe on the bottom, you put a stacker on top, and then you put the shoe on top. And on top of that stacker, there is a shoe print, so you know how to put your shoe on it. This is a great shoe organizer, especially for those individuals who may not have a lot of surface space to place their shoes. So whether you store your shoes on the floor, on a shelf, or even on a shoe rack, this is a great organizer that allows you to use up less space. It does come with 6, so if you have more than 6 shoes, you may need to buy more, but they are quite inexpensive. So whether you're using a bookcase or even a cabinet to store your shoes, this stackable allows you to store your shoes on top of each other without them touching, thus creating more space for you to store more shoes. So I hope you like these 3 shoe solutions, and I hope they show you how you can possibly organize your shoes. So before I end this video, I do have a giveaway. I am giving away a hanging shoe shelf organizer, and rather than it having 30 shelves, this one has 12. So if you are interested in this giveaway, let me know in the comment section below, what's your favorite color? I know it's kind of odd, but let me know what's your favorite color, and next video, I'll announce the winner. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.